pull it right out of there. And that's also what makes it so loose as well. Also makes for a lot of racket. Alrighty, so now you saw how loose this hinge is right here. As you can see how loose that is. What I'm gonna do is take this hinge off. I got that one already on. To take these off, you're going to need a half inch socket. Break them free. And as you can see, what's so special about these hinges is the original hinges are designed, you can actually take the whole hood off. You take it up so far and you hit that notch and you can pull it right out of there. And that's also what makes it so loose as well. So with the new Kentrol hinges, you can't do that, but I'm definitely gonna keep these OEM hinges just for this fact that they are the OEM hinges. And on the Tuxedo Parks, this would have actually been a chrome piece, just like that one over there. This is the factory color. Underneath there, it was Sierra Blue. See that? Isn't that kind of cool? Just a little bit of dirt underneath there. My sleeve. Okay, let me grab the new hinges. Stainless steel hinge. Put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads of the bolts, and we're gonna just lay it right in place of the old ones. Washer. This takes a 3/16 Allen head to bolt these new bolts down. I'll go ahead and get them all finger tight first. Got the back tight. As you can see, they don't quite line up exactly where the old ones are. I might have to touch that paint up a little bit back in here with the new blue, but it's an old Jeep. It really doesn't bother me that much. A lot of you out there will probably have a fit about it. I really don't care. But see if it'll actually pull this hood up here to line up with the cowl. Hold on a second here, I'll show you. See that? Pulls it up. Cowl. C-O-W-L. It's not a cow like moo.
You didn't pronounce it.
Cowl. 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 Or a cowl. Okay, make sure they're all snug. Again, a little bit of anti-seize on the threads is recommended. It's all done. Let's see how loose the hood is. And you watch the hinges, they're made by Kentrol as well. Let's see how loose this hood is now. Look at that. Before, as you can see, it is much tighter than before, than with these old hinges here. And like I said, they're cool, and the way they're designed, as you can see, this is actually like an oval or like a rectangle kind of. I don't know what that correct term would be, but it's designed to slide. This is on the cowl, and this is your hood. You can pop the hood off completely and then slide it back down in here. I recommend 2 people to do it. I did it by myself, and it's tough. And it lines up right like so. As you can see, get you this shot right here. So pretty cool design, but also makes for a lot of racket. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Until next time, take care.